it is our wish to explain more on one of the processes we carry out here at the Etoke Land Trust Board. The process is called rent reassessment. Rent reassessment is the process whereby rent is reassessed every 5 years, in which the land rent is expected to increase based on the appreciation of land value. But first of all, a 360 degrees joint inspection with the tenant or representative of the tenant needs to be carried out together with an asset valuation to take into account the improvements that have occurred on the land, the productivity and development with respect to land uses according to the lease terms and conditions. When the inspection is completed and development or productivity are noted, there is a formula that TLTB uses to calculate the percentage increase on the land rent. This proposal is then put forth to the tenant in the form of a reassessment notice, which is issued to the tenant at least 3 months prior to the reassessment date. If the tenant accepts the new rate, then the tenant starts paying the new rate until the next review date. But if the tenant does not accept the proposed rate, then there are a few other options. Option 1. If you are an agriculture tenant, then you will take up your plea to the Agricultural Tribunal, and both TLTB and the tenant will await the decision of the tribunal. Option 2. If you are a non-agriculture tenant, you will write your counter notice or letter to TLTB stating your reasons for rejecting the proposed rate. Then an arbitrator will be appointed with the matter referred to the arbitration. The arbitration will send a response through the regional manager within a month. But if you do not send a reply to TLTB within 2 months of receiving the reassessment notice, nor refer to the arbitration within a month of receiving the notice, then TLTB assumes that you have accepted the proposed new rental. I hope we have shed some light on this important aspect of our operations. In case you still need further clarification, please log on to our website www.tltb.com.fj or visit a TLTB office near you. Etoke Land, our heritage, our